Solving this word problem using the RIDGES strategy. So the first step in the strategy is R, read it. So we're going to read the entire problem. Sally had to bake 25 cakes. She knew she could only bake 5 cakes a day because they take time to mix and get in the oven. How many days would it take her to bake 25 cakes? The next step is I, identify it. So we're going to look through the problem and figure out what we need to find out. And then I will underline it so that we know. So Sally had to bake 25 cakes. We already know that. They're not really asking us to find that out. She knew she could only make 5 cakes a day. How many days would it take her to bake 25 cakes? So they're wanting us to find out how many days it's going to take her to bake all of these cakes. The next step is D, draw a picture. So I am going to draw 25 cakes. I'm going to use squares to represent these cakes. Okay. So now we have our 25 cakes drawn. The next step is generate a word statement. So we're going to describe in our own words how we would solve this problem. So I would solve this problem by taking the 25 cakes and coloring in 5 cakes, 1 color for each day until they are all colored in. I would then count the number of colors that I used. So E is an equation. So using the word statement I just wrote, I'm going to write a mathematical equation. So I know that the total number of cakes is 25. And because I want to figure out how many days I'll take, and I know that there's 5 cakes in one day, I'm going to divide 25 by 5 cakes a day to get our answer. So now the last step is S, solve. So I'm going to write a sentence and put a box around my answer. So 25 divided by 5 equals what? So I know that 25 divided by 5, I know 5 can't go into 2, so I have to go to the ones place, so I put a 0 there. And I know 5 can go in 25 5 times. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5 days. So Sally is going to bake 25 cakes, and it is going to take her 5 days of baking 5 cakes a day.